Hi everyone. I love a hairstyle with a simple base. This is a fantastically simple base. I'm going to place two ponytails on either side, like this, left and right. Once I've got that there, all I'm going to do is split the ponytail off into two, and I'm going to flip the ponytail over, under, like so, creating a beautiful twist on the side. Look at that. Over and under, there's my twist. And then I'm going to pull at the twist to create a really soft texture at the front. Now this front area becomes our foundation because we're going to take the back area, divide it into two, and then we're going to pull that around and through each of those twists. Look at that. There's the left over to the right and the right over to the left. For the full tutorial, become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club and learn how to do this hairstyle. This is a fantastic look to add into your bridal collection.